Hello my friend, it's me, Fendi. Welcome back to my channel. So, in this video today, I think I'll turn the time back. Way back to 1993. It is one of the joys of beauty and fashion where we can relieve or return to a certain period of time whenever we want to, right? Throughout the end of 1993, Madonna promoted one of the most controversial albums of her career, Erotica, through a tour entitled The Girlie Show. I feel like this is, again, one of the most important tours in her career. Why? I mean, do I have to explain? Well, for the sake of the video, I will, of course. The big theme of the Erotica album itself is about sexuality and gender, where these topics are still considered taboo, especially by most Americans and generally the world, even to this day. Many people, including the big media and critics, scoffed Madonna at that time, for voicing her point of view on issues that are considered quote-unquote sensitive, which also relatively still very rarely raised by pop stars and especially by women. Yes, you heard me right. It didn't stop there. Madonna, which is the badass that she is, of course, made the situation even more heated by releasing a coffee table book entitled Sex, which contained provocative, quote-unquote, provocative photos. I will probably say a lot of quote-unquote on this video because there are many adjectives and values that are dynamic, which can change depending on the subject and the changes with the times, okay? So, back to the Girlie Show tour, many critics considered that this tour was much softer than the album itself, but still carried the same theme as, the entire album in general. In the theatrical performances, which was divided into several segments, Madonna raised the awareness about HIV and AIDS and the story of how many of her friends have unfortunately passed away, sexuality, and of course, gender. One of the things that inspired me the most about this tour and also inspired me to create an inspired look out of it was how Madonna explored the fluidity of gender expression. She appeared with androgynous characteristics that combine masculine and feminine traits at the same time, which is very much me if you cannot tell already, I was born and identified myself as a male, and yes, on the other hand, I like many things that are categorized as feminine, but I also enjoy to explore my masculine side and combining the two. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, gender expression, especially where I live, is still often seen as black and white, as opposed to a spectrum where each individual must have gender characteristics with various tendencies. In my opinion, the issue of gender expression is still relevant to this day because there are still a lot of prejudices associated with people who possess and choose to express gender more fluidly. I totally respect where many people might agree or disagree with my idea, but the main goal of this video is not about agreeing or not, right or wrong, But I hope that the discussion regarding this topic can broaden people's point of view and we can respect the differences between us. So, here I'm just finishing my look with the blush and I think I'm almost done. So, with that, I think here is my final look. Okay, I'm just gonna pose, trying to look fierce like Madonna. So, I think that's all for my video today. I hope you enjoy it and can take something out of it. I'm so sorry if my English is bad, because English is not my first language and I am like very rarely use English, in my daily life. But definitely leave a comment down below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.